What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's not really going to be like a build video or how-to or anything like that. We actually just wrapped up this RZR 900. Did a custom cage for it. They were having a hard time finding a company that made them. I know a couple companies make them, but most of them were just telling them, oh, we just continued making that cage. So here we go. So this car was rolled over, doors were bent, cage was mangled, everything was just done. I'll show you in the back. The whole trunk area still needs to be replaced. But as you can see, we did full custom cage. I actually raised the front roof line, and then I chopped the middle and the back quite a bit. Still has a slight bend in the middle. But if you know 4-seater 900s, they rake up really bad and then they go back down a little bit. So I actually raised the front and then I lowered everything else, trying to give it more of a normal cage look to it. So did the full-size doors, full sheet metal, aluminum roof. This is 1 3/4 120 wall tubing, full windshield, front mirrors. It is actually a 36-inch light bar. I had a hard time finding a 36-inch. Then we have rear view mirror, side mirrors, full-size doors. So BIM, Bro Industries Motorsports. I got some whip tabs up here. All our stainless steel Allen head hardware. I used the threaded insert tabs, as well as I did a couple riv nuts here in the middle in the back section, just to make sure everything stays tight, no vibrations. We have a foam insulator. You can kind of barely see it. But yeah, there's zero vibrations, everything is tight. Here's what I was talking about, the rear end. It's still kind of cracked and broken. I had a really hard time tracking one down. I had one track down. I wasn't able to get out there that day, and it was sold. I actually showed up the following day, and it was already sold and gone. So I drove over there anyway, because he said he still had it, and I got there and he's, oh, sorry, I sold that. Thought you needed something else. So, but yeah, here she is. Light bar is wired to a switch right here, which was pre-existing already. All I had to do was basically re-tap the wire to the new bar, ran it through the cage. I ordered the cage bung kit from UTV Distributions. I order all my stuff from them, and it's got the wiring holes CNC'd into them, so you're able to run light bars and all your accessories through the cage without having to drill holes and do all that. It's built into the bung for you. I did have to drill a hole up here on top, so I tucked it right here in the corner. So standing here, you don't see any kind of wire or nothing. Comes out the bottom there, snakes up, and goes in right there. So, but yeah, nice little build. I went and picked up their trailer last night from my buddy's shop, who they were originally supposed to do the cage, but they didn't have the CNC files or the jigs to do it, which is why I got the job, because I was able to custom hand build a cage. So everything here I did in-house. Powder coating, my buddy Chance hooked it up. He took it into his powder coater and got me kind of a deal on it. So that was really cool of him, really chill. So, but yeah, there you go. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk around, let you guys check it out. The windshield's pretty cool. It does have these breathable inserts here that you can pop out if you want more airflow. I know mine has kind of a mesh, and I actually enjoy the airflow. So I put them in there for now. They want to take it home with them. But if they get hot or not enough airflow in there on a hot day, unscrew them, pop them out, throw them in the glove box, and you get a nice couple little air pockets going, some air right into your chest. So these doors here are nice doors. All steel tubing frame, all metal steel hinges. OEM latches. I just pulled those over to these doors, and then it's all just a real thin sheeting. So much better look in my opinion, and as well it is a lot safer. A lot of your factory doors don't even have the bottoms. You can buy and put plastic bottoms in, but I don't know if you've seen any of those memes, or not memes, but just pictures, videos. A lot of people are getting sticks and branches and all that through, depending on where you live. We're here in the desert, so you don't really have that problem here. But a lot of people are having sticks and just jab right through the plastics, going into their legs or whatever, and just no bueno. So we like the sheet metal doors around here, full doors. Plus, if you have a rollover, keeps all your body parts inside the doors. Legs, feet, whatever, keeps everything inside. But yeah, so I did not put harnesses in. I took all the seat belts out because they have harnesses, but they are actually the customers from California. They're going to be driving up here tomorrow, so they're going to be installing seat belts, and I have a bag of bolts in there for them. But they just wrapped the harnesses around the seatbelt bars there, and bolt the bottoms down by the seat where the seat belts go, so they'll be good to go with that. But you can see I did the dual A-pillar bar support. That's just one thing that I've always liked about my RZR, and I do have the center bar all the way down. So this is a very stout cage. So, and then these mirrors, they do come with red, orange, blue, and black. I put the red on there and the black on there, and the customer picked black. So, but yeah, this one's ready to go home. So that's gonna be a wrap, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or anything, let me know. If you have any questions, we do a lot of custom builds. If you ever need anything done, whether you're in state or not, I have a CNC table. We can cut everything out in-house and ship it to you, or if you have a full build that you'd like to get in here, I'll do a full build for you. We'll document the whole thing, just like this Nova we got in here. But yeah, if you guys ever need anything, just let me know. Don't be shy. Questions, comments, anything, let me know. But that's gonna be a wrap for this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for all your support. Later, guys.